everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for another week, and this is Shawna here again with another plant-based recipe. So as you can see, I have a zucchini here. So I've been making zucchini chocolate bread. I made zucchini bread before, so I put that link above so you all see it. So stay tuned for this video. I made zucchini bread before, but this time I decided to add chocolate to it and some pecans. So let's jump into this video, guys. So I have my zucchini and I washed it. So what I'll do is to chop it into small enough slices that my food processor can handle. And guys, you can also grate this, but I do not have the time to do that, so I will use my food processor. I will use this and I will process it. I will mix it. I think this is perfect. So I move on to the other process. So now I will pour my zucchini mixture in my bowl. And I know Christmas is already gone, but for me, baking is something I do a lot. So I'm just sharing this recipe with you so you can try it at home also. So now I have my wet ingredients. I'll be using 1 tablespoon almond essence, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, and 1/4 cup olive oil. So I'll combine it in here. Guys, I love essence, so most of my baking recipes have vanilla and almond essence. If there are other essence out there that you like, you can also use that. So I'll be using 1/4 cup olive oil, just measuring it out. I just combine these together. I'll now move on to my dry ingredients. Here I have my dry ingredients. I'm using 1 cup spelt flour, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup chocolate powder, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1/4 cup granulated sugar. So there are all my dry ingredients. I start off with the flour. If your mixture has a lot of water, because zucchini spring a lot of water, add an additional 1/4 to 1/2 cup of flour. 1 cup spelt flour in there. I add the salt, cinnamon, the nutmeg, the Grate chocolate powder, 1/4 cup. In here I have 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. I add 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar or white sugar. So I'll combine all of these together. So guys, I think I needed some more chocolate powder in there, so I'll add another tablespoon. I want it to be very chocolatey, and it's the reason why I add so much to it. Then I grab my wet ingredients and I just combine it. Dry ingredients in my wet ingredient, combine. I just add everything. So guys, what you can do now is to preheat your oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to do this like 5 to 10 minutes before you place your batter in the oven. So this looks like it is nicely mixed and combined. You don't want to over mix it. So grease my baking pan. So now it's time to pour the mixture in there. So this will make one lovely zucchini chocolate bread. And please remember to preheat your oven. You don't want to put the mixture in a cold oven. I just want to give it a little shake now to fill any airspace that's probably was in there. Guys, what I did is to top off my zucchini bread with some rolled oats, 2 teaspoons, and 1/4 cup roasted pecan. So I just place this in the oven to be baked on 175 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. So what you can do is to check on it, stick a clean knife in the middle or a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then you're good to go. So see you then. My zucchini chocolate chocolate bread. It's now out the oven and it looking so scrumptious, guys. I really enjoyed making this zucchini chocolate bread. So if you try this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Seasoned greetings to you and your family. Until my next video, do have a safe and blessed holiday season. Thank you for being here with me throughout this process. Soon for my next video.